Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video. We're starting a new backtesting thing. We're starting January 2020. I have been testing a new way of strategy. Like, it's the same strategy that I trade before, but it's a little bit more in depth for daily buys, as well as it has one extra confluence that I have to see in order for me to take the trade. As you guys can see, we're halfway through January 2020. We're already up 6.71%, and we haven't taken a losing trade yet. Knock on wood, because after taking this many in a row, I'm sure a loss will be occurring pretty soon here. But I don't want to say that and jinx it. So far, we're doing really good. We're up $3,300 on a 50K account. So this would be getting close to passing funded account, depending which prop firm you are on. Yeah, let's just get this all set up and then jump straight into this. Oh, I do need to set up our Forex Factory. No, I'm not taking a trade right now. Next day open, which will be the 16th of January. So let's get that all signed up now. There we go. We got red folder news, which I'm assuming is this candle right here. Okay, let's start on the daily time frame quickly, and then make our way down. So daily time frame, clear as day. We are bullish, and we're not on S&P. Okay, now we're good to go. Now we're solid. We are solid. Okay, so we're definitely bullish. You can definitely say we're bullish. We're taking out previous day high, and we have S&T at all-time high. SMT at all-time high. I don't know. I don't really care for it. I don't really, I don't pay attention too hard to it because, I don't know, recently it's all-time high. There's not really much liquidity resting above all-time highs. And previous day low. Okay, okay, we'll get on go to the 4-hour time frame. Do we have a sweep here? We do. So we do have SMT at this low. From this low to this high. Okay, so we have an SMT there. I'm gonna mark out equilibrium of this range. That's kind of what I'd like to see, is us trade lower to equilibrium, and then, or to discount, and then we could take a trade higher. EAQ 4-hour. Okay, let's drop down to the 1-hour. Well, we have like a 1-hour fair value gap. Take a look at sessions. Yeah. Okay, so we got London low. We got Asia low. And so SMT here. Honestly, I'd just like to see us maybe come down, take out Asia or London low, maybe SMT there, and then get an SMT to the upside and see what we're respecting. We do have new day opening gap there. So yeah, I'm just gonna see what market does here, but I think that we're gonna want to see. This is also accumulation that we're having right now, so if we can get a push to the downside, sweeping out some significant liquidity, that would be pretty cool. If not, we might even have a trade to the downside to go trade to those. Now we just swept out these highs, and we're now taking all-time highs. Make sure that, okay, so we've taken out all-time highs now, so that's out of the picture. I don't think I'd want a short, but shorts are looking like the play right now. Boom, look at that. This is clean. So sweep out all-time highs, sweep out that top base, create this SMT here. And then do we have like a 2-minute fair value gap? We do. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm just gonna give this a try. I don't like that we're at all-time highs. Yeah, I don't like that we're at all-time highs. But this is fitting the need, other than the fact that we don't have a higher time frame fair value gap we're trading into, which is okay. But I'm gonna give this a try. I think this is, I just don't want to skip too far ahead. Yeah, okay, so shit. I'm gonna replay back to this day. So one thing I don't like about FX replay is just like sometimes you can't do the replay properly, but I want that short. I want to take that short, that 3 minute. Just gonna redo this quickly, my apologies. And then open up this. Okay, so we know that we've had, what do we know? We have AMD happening right now, accumulation, manipulation. Now we're going to hope for distribution. We have some low resistant liquidity as well. We have accumulation low, London low, Asia low. So we have sell side to take out. I don't like it just because we are at all-time highs, but I am willing to take the chance because this is a really clean looking trade. And then obviously we're just taking the trade based off of, you know, higher time frame liquidity sweep, and then we're now created a lower time frame SMT, and then we are taking out a 3 minute inverse fair value gap. So that's what we're taking this trade off of. Pretty mechanical. This is a very mechanical model. I can see it failing, like I said, because of all-time highs. It is something I'm willing to risk, though. So we'll just do this. Place my order. Save. And then I want to take a look here quickly and see on like the 5 minutes. Is there any unfilled fives? No unfilled fives. Is there any like unfilled 15s maybe? Down below there is this unfilled 15, so that's nice. Well, we take that. I don't know. Just nice to know we have an unfilled 15 minute fair value gap. Sweet. Super laggy right now. Yeah, I like this. I think this is nice. I'm just gonna mark up my 1-to-1 and then we'll let the trade rip. Also gotta do shit. Gotta do this. Okay, checklist. We got external liquidity sweep, external or internal SMT. No higher time frame PD or A. We got unfilled fair value gap below, no data low, and inverse fair value gap. So we swept. All-time high AMD on 15 minute the all-time AMD on 15 minute unfilled 15 minute below internal SMT 3 minute IFVG entry. I'm just going to do a super simple. Confidence, I'm going to give myself up to there maybe. I'm not like overly confident just because we're at all-time highs. I should probably rate that down. But that being said, let's let it rip. Yeah. Darn. Okay, so first losing trade. I actually literally spoke that into existence. That's hilarious. Add lower but still good confidence just because we are at all-time high. Usually don't see shorts play out as often. Just looked clean. Okay. And honestly, because we're so into the session, the only thing I'd want to see is us trade lower. But I don't know. There's not really any trade that I like here. We're just gonna do one loss, one win, move on to the next day. So that's a big part of it, you know. It's good as setup looks. All-time high shorts aren't usually valid. We'll leave it at that. So we'll go to the next day, which is Friday. And we got a little bit of orange fold in, nothing too crazy. Coming on to the daily time frame, we got PDL here. We got I'm gonna mark out the wick here. Daily OV wick or breaker block, whatever you want to call it. I don't really care either way. I know it's a PD array. Jump down to a 4-hour time frame. Unfilled 4-hour below. Unfilled 4-hour. 4-hour OB, but that unfilled 4 hours is more important. Jump down to a 1-hour time frame. Not much. Where's that all-time highs, to be honest? So not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. We got Asia low and we got London low. I just wanted, honestly, just like what we always do at all-time highs. I just want to see us come lower, and we can somehow find a trade to the upside. See what the opening does. I don't know why this is so fucked up. So my SMT is gonna look really weird. Weird. Does the hourly look normal? Okay, so the hourly at least looks normal. We got these lows all the way down here, Asia low all the way. They're pretty correlated. Take a look at the 1 minute. Should probably mark out Asia low or London low. Should honestly mark out all the lows here just so I know if we have an SMT or not. No 4-hour. We're tapping a 4-hour OB though. Keep an eye out, see what happens. So we're just pushing really deep into the range here. Nothing really too crazy is going on. Nothing. Got an SMT here. Technically we got an SMT here, so we have an external SMT, but it's not a major point of liquidity. So I don't know if I'd like that. Take a look at the 5 minute. Took that low out. Have not taken that out. So we do have SMT and then another SMT. I just don't know if I like that. I'd rather almost see London low be taken. We're tapping into this 5 minute here. And we inverse this 1 minute. Do we have our 5 minute? What's the 5 minute showing? No change of state and delivery quite yet. We do got to change of state on the 2 minute. We got to change of state on the 3 minute. Change of state on the 4 minute. Looks like we're about to change state delivery on the 5 here. Yeah. That's a change of state. I'm going to try this long here. Honestly, should have tried it from below, but that's okay. We'll just take it to this. Taking out sell side liquidity. We're at all-time high. Yeah. 1 minute change of state and delivery. Nice reaction. I like to see these reactions. So. Give this a try. We're also in a 1 hour fair value gap. Got to keep that in mind. Go on to the 1 hour. We are in 1 hour fair value gap. We're in premium or discount. Don't need to see these lows swept. I just wish I would have entered on the perfect one-to-ones right there. Right here is perfect. I like that. I like it. I like it a lot. We got external SMT, 1 hour fair value gap, discount, range. We got a couple unfilled 5s above. We also have a 5 minute there that we could unfilled 5 minute above. Yeah, 1 hour fair value gaps being tapped into and respected, as well as the 4 hour OB. You can add that in if you like. I'm not going to, but then we have an internal SMT right there. And we have an internal SMT, 1 minute IFVG, 1 minute CISD. Confidence level, we'll give this about a 76. Not quite an A+, but it's fairly decent. We got external SMT, external liquidity sweep, internal, higher time frame PD rate. We do have an unfilled, and that's really about it. Give this a go. Doesn't hurt. Wow. Wow. We just got saved. Almost wicked out. Crazy. Okay. Gonna take off a little bit from this trade here. Let the rest run. Dang. That was close. Okay. Stopped at a break even. So TP1 stopped at a break even. Perfect. Nice little $100 trade. No complaints. Move to the next day. Could have gone, would have been, I mean, not really a difference. Would have been 1-to-1 regardless, taking the 1 minute or not, so not much of a difference. This is a Monday, I believe. Monday. Yeah, Monday. We got, what do we got for news? Bank holiday, skipping that day. Going to my birthday, January 21st. Okay, so we got Tuesday, January 21st. We've taken out PDL. We are also in a daily fair value gap, so I'm going to mark that PDL/DFVG. Okay, mark out previous day high / all-time high. PDH. Check out if we got an SMT at all or not. Delete all the drawings. No SMT, no nothing. You're on the daily fair value gaps. I'm respecting them very nicely, so that's awesome. 4 hour time frame. Ooh, this is tricky. We're in a 4 hour and we're in a daily. Okay. We're also in this 4 hours, so we'll see what price wants to do, but we could just bounce between the ranges. And we also are tapping into this. Are we tapping into OTE of this range? Not quite yet, so we are tapping into that, so you just got to keep that in mind. Go to my indicators. Okay, we got London low all the way down here, and we got Asia low all the way at the top here. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I don't know what price is going to do. And the reason why I don't know is because we have two areas that we're just bouncing between. I mean, the higher time frame is telling us, yes, we are bearish, or sorry, we are bullish, but we also need to understand that we're scalping, right? So we're not trying to trade the long-term higher time frame. I'd wait for, if I was trading the higher time frame, I'd wait for this to, that 4-hour fair value gap to be broken, but obviously we're not going to get that right now. So go to the 15. Got lots of low resistance. I'm just going to see what the open does. Okay, open goes up, just nearly taps Asia high. As of right now, I got nothing. As of right now, I got nothing. Okay. Asia high is now being taken. We do have an SMT with Asia high. Keep that in mind. As much as I want to say longs could be the play, a short, like I just don't like shorting all-time highs. Like, look at that. Boom. External SMT, or internal SMT. Absolutely beautiful. Bro, we still got SMT here. That's actually bizarre. Oh dear, this 3-minute looks like it's ready to cook. I just don't like that we are. What's the 4-hour telling me? Well, it looks like we're about to break the top of the 4-hour. I can tell you that right now. Bro, but look at this. We got SMT here. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Asia high SMT with London low left behind. Regardless if we leave behind. Regardless, if we leave this 4-hour, if we inverse this 4-hour, we still have a 4-hour below. So, in my eyes, this is very bullish. Or sorry, bearish. We got this 1-hour fair value gap. I'm gonna try this, I think. It's like, it's high resistant liquidity. That's one of the problems here. Okay, so we got a nice clean SMT here. We inverse this 2-minute. But we also inverse the 3-minute. I really wish I could have taken it down here, but obviously I skipped a little too far ahead. But I think this is gonna look, I think this will work, personally. 1 to 2, all the way down to there. What are we in for a higher time frame? Are we in like a 15-minute fair value gap that I can make myself feel better? Actually feel like semi-decent about myself instead of feeling like shit. Perfect. We're in a 15-minute fair value gap. Beautiful. We like to see that. Okay, this is great. I like this. So we have, I gotta journal this quickly. So we have SMT at Asia high. We have in a 15-minute fair value gap. We have unfilled 1-hour below. Internal clear SMT. 3-minute inverse fair value gap. entry. So simple, so easy. External SMT, internal SMT, higher time frame PD array, unfilled fair value gap. I don't know about any of that because I never looked into it. I need to start doing that actually. Give us a 4 rating, and my confidence is gonna be, I got a little bit higher confidence on this guy. I think this guy gonna slap. I think this guy's about to slap. And then watch it just like slap me. Bada, bada, bada. That's the maximum 4 hugs. Okay. So, let's check it out. Boom! TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Close some of the position. Move stop to break even. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Really? Oh, hold on. Actually, that would have been TP2. Damn. But I would have entered here. So I'm only gonna take my TP1 there because that's all I would have gotten. TP1 hit, stop at break even. Can't complain for all-time highs. Cannot complain for all-time highs. Have we even hit full take profit yet on this? No. No, we have not. Okay. Now we're on to the next day, which should be Wednesday. We'll go till Friday, and then I'm gonna call it. Let's go till Wednesday. Okay. Previous day low. I've already taken out previous day high. Okay. And as you guys know, jump down to the 4 hour. I'm bullish. Clear as day, I'm very bullish. Why am I bullish? All-time highs. 4 hour fair value gap. We do have another 4 hour down here, which we're delivering from. 4 hour fair value gap. And then we also have this order block wick. 4 hour OB wick. Come down to the 1 hour. Does look like accumulation here. Manipulation, distribution to the upside. That would be super clean. Let's take a look at our session indicator. Taking out London low. Asia low is really deep, so chances of us ripping down Asia low, I mean, there's a chance. Chances, they're lower, but there is a chance. There's always a chance at everything. And then we've already taken London low. So I'm gonna get rid of this. See when market opens. I want it to trade lower. If market open trades lower, I will be super happy. And it looks like it wants to trade higher. I mean, like, all eyes could have taken. There's probably a trade to take off this, like internal, higher time from SMT, but there's no SMT here. Or sorry, higher time frame fair value gap. I mean, damn. If you took that, good for you. Back in 2020, when I was trading my inverse fair value gap strategy, I was smacking left, right, and center fair value gaps. Back in my day. I want it to trade lower, but I don't want to take anything. Trade what you see. Swept the low out. Inverse. As much as I hate to say it, I'm not taking shorts while we're up here. I don't want to take any shorts. Yeah, that was the play there off of this fair value gap. There's literally nothing for me that I like. And I know it looks like I just skipped a ton, and I did. But, like, come on, I needed to see us come lower, a little bit lower. I mean, we did take out London low. We just never got what I wanted to see for an entry. Like, there's no SMT here, right? No SMT. No SMT. No SMT. No SMT. Nothing of my liking. I'm okay with that. Move to the next day. That was quick. Move to the next day. Okay, we're at Thursday. I think Thursday's the same news. I'm going to guess. No, we got crude oil at 11. Go to the daily. Remove all the drawings. I always like to just remove drawings, start from scratch. We got fair value, or PDH / all-time high up there. PDL. PDL is perfectly in line with an OB, which we are respecting, as well as we're respecting the 4 hour. What does that mean, Dawson? That means that we're bullish. Wow, how would you ever know that? Fuck if I know. Daily OB is being respected. Now, what I like to see is I think we have SMT. SMT, we do have an SMT. Smart money transaction. Okay. Now I'm going to jump to the hourly because we got that SMT out of the way. We got this out of the way. If we could trade a little bit lower, I want to take a long smack-a-diddly daddle long. We got this 1 hour fair value gap. Ideally, actually, trading to that low would be nice. Sweeping this low would be nice. Take a look at this. We got London low right here. Asia low's been taken. Honestly, these highs look really nice to be taken. Since sell side liquidity to be taken here. Or I guess buy side. That wouldn't really be sell side because that's on the buy side, not sell side. The buy side liquidity. Let's go to the hourly. We are on the hourly. SMT there. It is looking like a market maker sale, but we're also looking like a market maker buy. We did just have a change of state and delivery on the 1 hour. 15-minute is just trickling down into this 15-minute fair value gap here. So we are in a 15. Let's see. Once it loads, my apologies. Computer's very slow. Check out the 5-minute. There we go. 15. Wow, it won't even let me look at the 15 on for S&P. It just doesn't like it. That's fine. I'm okay with that. We do have SMT at this low. Longs look spicy right now. If we can get a long. Let's go down to 1 minute. Might even be a trade opportunity right away. Always be careful with trading right away from market open though. I want to see us trade lower. Wow. Maybe not that low. Come on now. Easy now. Easy now. Maybe not that low. I mean, that's clean because, right, taking out accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Maybe not that low, though. That's a little berserk. It's a little crazy. Dang. Chances of us getting an SMT at this low would be insane. We do have SMT there. So, I mean, ideally, if we can get a regular SMT right now, like a 1 minute SMT, I will smack along. Just gotta keep an eye because a small SMT can do too. Like even this right here. I'm gonna try this, and I'm just gonna try this for backtesting purposes. And reason being, if you guys can see, this low candle here is this candle here, and so there is technically a small SMT. So we have an external SMT and a small internal SMT right here. That'd be like a 30-second to a 15. I know it's such low time frames, but like that's a very possibility that could be. I don't normally smack the first inverse fair value gap. I don't normally smack the first one, but because of the new strategy that I've been trading and the fact that, like, even right here, we have SMT at this. Like, the fact that I've been backtesting, like, this strategy with SMT. I don't know, the win rate's just super high. So I'm going to give this a try. I don't think it'll hurt. And it's perfect with AMD as well. It's like a perfect setup for AMD. I am going to put my stop really tight here just so I can cash out early. Like, get as much as I possibly can. Because I don't see this, shouldn't at least. And that is the bottom of the SMT, so. Okay, so. Let's go over confluences. Go to the 4 hour. We've traded into new day opening gap. SMT at this low, which is in that 4 hour fair value gap. We are respecting an hourly fair value gap here as well. So we got now external SMT, higher time frame PD array. Nothing for 15-minute, nothing for 5. Well, we do have like unfilled 5, but we do have kind of like relative equal highs above. So like I wouldn't count these as equal highs. They're relative. And that's also the 630 candle wick. So that's even higher confluence there. So I'm going to write this out. We got external SMT, 1 hour FVG, AMD, 630 wick above, relative equal highs above, small internal SMT, 1 minute IFVG. My confidence, I'm not going to say is extremely high because of that such a small internal SMT. But I just want to try this because I'm going to... we have relative equal highs. We have data high and fair value gap. Yeah, I'm going to try it just because of that reason. Like let's go the 4 hour too quickly. Because I could also be in like... Is that OTE? That's another, that could be another thing. Look at that, rejecting OTE too. So there we go. Okay, we're gonna slap this. I'll take this. 1-to-1 right at that high there. Perfect. Looking really good at London low. We've taken out London low, so. Holy crap again. That's a wick away. That is literally a wick away. Okay, take profit 1 has been hit. Take off 25. Move stop to break even. Let the rest run. Boom, full TP got hit. Wow, I can't believe that. I could have put my stop at there just to play it more safe, but I wanted to. Let's see. Yeah, I would have hit full TP anyways. Accumulation high. So that's perfect. Beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful trade. Wow. Put that one in the journal. Right there. Boom. And we got one more day to go. So let's move to the next day. Okay. Now we're on Friday. And after today, I'm going to just do one full week of backtesting. So like Monday to Friday instead of what we did. I just wasn't starting on a Friday. But Friday, January 24th, we do have that. It's way past. Okay, so none of that is too concerning for me. Start off on the daily as always. Once again, we're at all-time highs, so we are very bullish. Previous day low. PDH has been hit. And we do have an SMT at all-time highs here, so previous day low. This is very weird, but still bullish. I mean, this doesn't really matter much. Drop down to a 4 hour time frame. We do have an SMT here. I mean, I don't want to see. I would just looking at this right now. We have a 4 hour fair value gap. I want to see us trade to this 4 hour. And then SMT somewhere in between, or external liquidity sweep, internal SMT, boom, smack that, which would be in line with the breaker block. Boom, clean, 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 clean. clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. AMD is a little bit of accumulation up there. Let's take a look at the indicators. Look at the sessions. London low. Boom. Yeah, it'd be, yeah, this is clean. London low. London low. I know some of you are like, oh, you put London low twice. I know. Asia low. My bad. Okie dokie. SMT at the high. I don't really like SMTs with 4-hour breaker block wick. See how open opens. We have London high above. We have accumulation here. We do have a 15-minute fair value gap here, but I do want to see it get ran through to take out London low and tap the breaker block and all. Holy crap. My heart's pounding. I feel like I just like had an energy drink, so I'm like going berserk right now. Just got on the 1 minute. Get rid of these. Is that an SMT? Is that an SMT? It is. Very little SMT. I think. Yeah, very small SMT here. But we got no fair value gaps too long, so I wouldn't take that. And it fails anyways, so that's why you don't take it. Okay, let's exit out of here. I need to do something. I keep forgetting to always do that. I need to mark out London low, which is here. Now we have SMT with London low. And now we have we're going to probably have SMT with Asia low. But now we have SMT with London low, so I am not against longing. Dang, that looks really clean. But I don't like it. I won't take it. I don't think it's ready to go yet. I don't know. That's like the weakest. Such a weak sweep of, oh. 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 Hold the phone. We got a nice SMT with a crazy reaction there. Are we in a 4-hour? Inside the 4-hour. Okay. Just nice little turtle soup here. Inversed this fair value gap. Prices now, we're going to respect this, hopefully. And let's see if we can inverse the next. If not, we can create an SMT at the low. But we'll see. I'm open to taking a long, though. Those are equal lows. I wouldn't take that with equal lows there. I want this to trade lower, just like that. Alright, so we don't have that SMT anymore, but we do have... We are in that 4-hour fair value gap, so... I mean, longs are still noted. They're still clean. Like, they can still be... If we don't just keep selling off... Finally, SMT. with an inverse of the fair value of this fair value gap, but I need to look at the higher time frames before anything. Traded lower into here, which is fair. I like that. I'm taking out sell side liquidity, which is all there. We're tapping into this OB or breaker block. 15-minute time frame is pushing up, it looks like. 5-minute time frame. We do have a 5-minute here. If we can get this 5-minute, I'll take it. I think. Yeah, I'll take this 5-minute. Try this 5-minute. What the heck, right? Take this 5-minute. Put my stop. And I'm gonna put my stop at the SMT, but this at the low here. And then we'll take it up to this LRL all the way up here. We'll give this a try. Okay. Session sweeps in a 4-hour fair value gap at all-time high. Small internal SMT 5-minute IFVG. AMD model. Accumulation manipulation. I guess it is an AMD here, but we have accumulation manipulation, and then I'm looking for distribution to the upside now. I don't know. I think it looks fine. We got some LRL, I think, too. We got some low resistant liquidity as well. So, low resistant liquidity above. I think London high still intact. Yeah, we still got London high to take, as well as the 630 wick up here. 630 wick. We got London high to take still. 630 wick above also. I'll look at the hour really quickly, make sure I'm not missing any sort of SMTs or anything. Technically, if you want to count that, we do have an SMT here to make myself feel any sort of better. Okay, let's go down to the lower time frames now. I don't like the spot where this SMT is, or where the 5-minute. I don't really like where I'm placing this stop loss, but I mean, it's at the body, so no complaints actually. It should be protected. 1-to-1 is pretty much right above there, so I'll have that noted mentally. 5-minute inverse fair value gap. Can always come back down to retap it. But yeah, 5-minute inverse. Let's take it. Last trade of the week. And ouch, we got smacked. Got smacked in the face there. Literally made like no money this week. That's fine. We're still up green though. And there's the play. See if it rips. Okay, maybe we're switching buys. Interesting. All right, there's our trades. Save that. Do my check. Say that. So we got 2 losses, 2 wins. Still up overall, but minus 1,000. Minus 1,000 there. only a couple $100 up, but that's not bad at all. I will not complain about that. I am doing 1-to-1 stop out of break or 1-to-1 stops at break even, take off 25% of the trade, and then I do the rest at TP2. So we're just trying this. I want to see what this is like long term, if it's worth doing or if it's not worth doing, and just try and let it run all the way to 1 to 2 and take full profit there, but we will see. But anyways, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below what you guys would like to see in the future. I'm going to be doing a week every day, hopefully, and yeah, stay along with the journey from January 2020 to December 2024. Anyways, if you guys want to join the Discord, I'll be in there posting all my stuff, all the links to the videos, all of my trades, etc. Link will be in the description if you guys want to check that out. And anyways, happy holidays and have a great day.